Hi and welcome to Cheeky Richo's popcorn maker review. This popcorn maker is designed to be used in the microwave. So let's see what we have to do here. We'll wash it up first and then we'll be back. Okay, here are our three components for our microwave popcorn maker. It says to scoop the desired amount of kernels using the super scoop to the maximum line. So there is the maximum line there. Can you see that? Just there. That light's good enough. So we don't want to exceed the maximum line to be fair to the popcorn maker. Okay, now it says to place it into the maker. Obviously that way, because that's the best way that it fits. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. Like so. And pop the lid on. Now 2.5 minutes on full power, and the cooking time may vary depending on the type of microwave oven and its wattage. So 2.5 minutes later we'll see what we've got. It's been going for 24 seconds now and nothing seems to be happening. Starting to pop after 1 minute. It's popping a lot. Still has 58 seconds to go and the popcorn is nearing the red rim before the lid starts. I got this at Woolworths the other day for about $12. It wasn't very expensive. And to buy microwave popcorn it's about $4 a packet, whereas I bought that packet there which has got significantly more kernels in it for $1.11. We've still got 24 seconds to go. The popcorn smells good. There it is, it stopped popping. It does smell good. There's a lot of steam coming out of it. Wow. It's light. It's good. It's a keeper. I think that's successful. Well done. It says you can eat it straight from the bowl. But I want to tip it out to see how many of these kernels didn't in fact pop. So we'll just tip it into the bowl. Ow, that's hot. Oh, there's a couple in the bottom there. Yeah, quite a few actually. But it's still cheaper than microwave popcorn, so I'll give it a bit of a veggie salt. You could put butter on it if you want to. I just want to see what it's like without that. It's good. It's good. A couple of them look a little bit overcooked. Tastes alright though. No, it doesn't taste burnt. And it was quick. I'd say that was a success. Hope you enjoyed this little video review of the popcorn maker. The Superstar popcorn maker. Made in Australia. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, please check out my Cheeky Richo channel. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Any products you'd like us to have a look at, let us know. We're really into innovative products. And thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day.